Glenwood, GAF's newest ultra-premium designer shingle, is the thickest triple-layer wood shake-look shingle you can buy. The shingle combines the authentic beauty of natural wood shakes without their associated hassles. Glenwood shingles are offered in 6 complementary colors: Adobe Clay, Autumn Harvest, Chelsea Gray, Dusky Gray, Golden Prairie, and Weathered Wood. Glenwood shingles feature the highest fire rating, UL Class A, lower maintenance costs, and less susceptibility to warping and damage versus natural untreated wood shakes. Glenwood shingles were created with our unique advanced protection shingle technology for excellent performance and protection. In addition, Glenwood Stain Guard protection helps ensure your roof's beauty against unsightly blue-green algae. Installing Glenwood wood shake look shingles are much faster and easier than a traditional wood shake installation. Due to the thick triple-layer construction of Glenwood, longer nails may be required in order to penetrate at least 3/4 of an inch into wood plank decks. Once the appropriate roof deck protective layer is secure, the first of 2 GAF weather blocker starter strip layers can be installed along the eave. The initial layer of starter strips will be a full-length sheet of weather blocker separated in half. The second starter course layer uses unseparated full-size sheets. 20 inches must be cut off of the left edge for only the first starter strip on this second layer. Separated half sheets of weather blocker starter strips can then be installed up the rake, overlapping the eave starter course by 3 inches. Now, the Glenwood shingles are ready to be installed. With Glenwood, you have the option of using either a 4 or 6 nail pattern when fastening the roof deck. The shingles are installed in a 4-course offset pattern that repeats as you continue up the roof. For the first course, trim 7/16 of an inch off the left side of the shingle and install flush with the starter course. For the second course, trim 6 inches. For the third course, trim 12 inches. And the fourth, trim 18 inches. The alignment notch will help you align the top of the keyway with the bottom of the shorter tab from the course above to help maintain a proper exposure of 4.5 inches. After the fourth course, you will start over with a 7/16 inch trim and repeat. It's as easy as that. Just like traditional wood shake roofs, Glenwood shingles are to be installed using open valleys only. For ridge caps, use Ridge Glass Premium Ridge Cap shingles in the West and TimberTex Premium Ridge Cap shingles in all other regions. You might think that since Glenwood is so thick that it would be difficult to cut, but that is not what our test contractors had to say.
My name is Jeffrey Brett with King Quality Construction, and I've been in the roofing business since 1989. The biggest effect that Glenwood shingle is going to have on the market is against wood shake. It almost makes wood shake shingle obsolete. The thickness of it makes it beautiful. It's incredible. I thought my guys would have a hard time cutting it and installing it. We were surprised though, around half a day into the job, we got used to it and it just went like a breeze.
With Glenwood shingles, wood shakes have finally met their match. Glenwood is a great-looking, amazingly thick wood shake-look shingle that is sure to make any house look extraordinary. To learn more about Glenwood, please visit our website at gaf.com/Glenwood.